What's the meaning of clutter? Clutter. Clutter.
Clutter. Clutter. The word clutter refers to a messy or disorderly collection of things that are scattered in an untidy manner, making it difficult to find or retrieve anything from the pile. Clutter could be formed by any number of items, such as books, clothes, papers, toys, and other objects that are not put away or organized properly. Clutter can lead to stress, anxiety, and confusion in daily life, as it can affect productivity and concentration. It is important to regularly organize and declutter spaces to maintain a sense of order and calm.